Welcome to the Make or Break Studio. Today we get to talk to a fun maker who loves creating works of art, DIY, and home decor. So put down your tools, guys. It's time to meet a maker. Hey guys, I'm Sarah, and today we get to talk to Jelena from Blondie Next Door. Hey Jelena, thank you so much for joining me.
Hi Sarah, thanks for having me. I'm so happy to be here.
Tell us a little bit about your channel and how you got started.
I think it's self-explanatory, Blondie. And Next Door is just to show that I'm just a girl next door that can create some things and you can try doing it too. I actually started my channel when we moved to another state and we didn't know anyone. I was home alone with two little ones and I just needed some creative outlet. And I've always been very creative, always loved creating crafts and doing DIY projects. And I just decided to start a channel and it's been great ever since.
With having two little kids at home, I totally understand needing a creative outlet. Which tool do you use is the most unsung hero of your shop?
Oh, that's a tough one. I think two of them are the ones that I like the most. First one is a jigsaw, and I really like it. Not only to use it for large projects in a house, I really like to use them on my crafts, everyday crafts that I do on my YouTube channel, because it is so easy to cut all kinds of shapes that I really need. And then the other one, I like to use a sander a lot, because to be able to have things finished nicely, you really need a good sander. So those two are my favorite.
Oh my gosh, Rob loves using jigsaws as long as they're barrel grip. And I agree, using a sander, it kind of is an unsung hero, but it completely changes the actual outcome of your project. So I get that. What's your favorite project of all time?
I really like the one that I did recently, and I always wanted to have one, and that is the board and batten wall with hooks. So we use it actually in the entrance of our garage, so right next to the entrance to the house. And it just turned out so beautiful. It was a large project that I wasn't sure I'm gonna be able to do it all by myself. You know, I think I doubted myself just a little bit, but the moment I started, it just went smooth and I love the way it turned out. It is very simple and very, clean lines and two tones, and that's exactly how I love. That's definitely my style, and we use it every single day.
The space is beautiful. I love how that simple project, even though it was a big project, really elevated that space. All right, point us to a couple other makers that you enjoy following.
There is one channel that I would like to recommend. I don't think it gets enough attention and enough, eyes on her. Her name is Olga and her channel is Olia DIY Adventures. She has such a refined style. I really like that everything she does, it's very meticulous. She finishes her projects very neatly. She does some woodworking as well, but a lot of things that she does is really, handmade. She goes into the projects, making them as nice as possible and as detailed as possible. And all of those things are really high-end looking, but on a budget. It's just amazing, and I really would like her name to be out there and a lot of people to see it, because it is worth to see.
I'll make sure to put the links to their channels in the description below so you guys can go check them out. All right, Jelena, what are you working on next?
Right now on my YouTube channel, I am mostly working on, seasonal decor. I am done with Valentine's decor and I am going into spring and just general decor around the house. There's going to be a lot of high-end decor pieces that I want to recreate, but I also am working, in certain rooms in my house. I am going to show people how they can decorate certain areas like a coffee table, dining room table, centerpieces, mantle, and stuff like that.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to talk to me.
Thank you so much for having me. This has been so much fun.
I want to thank Heart for sponsoring this episode and reminding us that we can build anything we can imagine if we do it with Heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the stuff that comes out during the week. All right, break's over. Go make something.